Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and having great time at home. I welcome you all to the Smart School e-lesson classroom. Let's see, what are we going to do today? We will learn about the concept big and small. We will also identify big and small objects. So let's begin the class. This is Sarah. Sarah is holding a big ball and she also has a small ball. Let's learn more about big and small.
Big and small. Big basketball. Small tennis ball. Big, big, big. Small, small, small. Big basketball. Small tennis ball. Small mouse. Big elephant. Small, small, small. Big, big, big. Small mouse. Big elephant. Big whale. Small fish. Big, big, big. Small, small, small. Big whale. Small fish. Small balloon. Big hot air balloon. Small, small, small. Big, big, big. Small balloon. Big hot air balloon. Big ship. Small boat. Big, big, big. Small, small, small. Big ship. Small boat.
Look at the picture carefully and choose the big animal. A gorilla is big or a monkey is big? Yes, right. A gorilla is a big animal and a monkey is small. Well done. Now, look at the pictures and tell which is the small insect. A butterfly or an ant? Yes, right. An ant is a small insect and a butterfly is a big insect. Now, tell me which book is big and which is small? Yes, right. The blue book is big and the purple book is small. Very good. Now practice making a big ball and a small ball on the green board and show it to your teacher. This is your day 2 task. This task should be done in your Smart Language workbook. You need to color the big bubble and draw a small bubble on page 17. This is your day 3 task. This task should be done in your notebook. You need to draw or paste a big balloon and a small balloon in your notebook. Let's see what have we learned today. We have learned the concept big and small. Great job, everyone.